Hi everyone, my name is K.S. Chaitanya. Today I am going to discuss a topic about overloading and abstraction. Uh, we will learn to write clear, reusable, and more manageable code throughout this video, and what is operation overloading, method overloading, and abstract class in Python. So let's know what is method overloading and how it is in Python. Method overloading define multiple methods with the same name. They usually have different parameters. Define multiple methods with same name. They usually have different parameters. Python does not support traditional method overloading. The last defined method overrides any previous one with the same name. Whereas Python does not support a traditional method overloading, but it is defined method overrides any previous one with the same name. So we'll know what is method overriding in Python with like default arguments and flexible arguments, where you'll use default arguments to handle variable inputs. For example, default greet name, greet hello. When it gives the parameters as only name, it will only takes the name, and greet is default. When you'll give name and greet parameters, it will overloads the greeting parameter. Its same goes to flexible arguments, list arguments. Utilize arg, add something for flexible handling. For example, date defined info auxiliary. So next topic comes as operator overloading and its behavior. What it is. Now we'll know what it is. Operator overloading redefine built-in operators for custom classes. Operator overloading redefine built-in operators for custom classes. And why you use it? It allows custom object to interact intervally with operators, making code more reliable. And how it is done. You know what it is, why use it, and why you'll use it, and how you should done to overcome it, and how it is done. Achieving by implementing separate methods like example method, where can be add, subtraction, multiply, or anything according to your usability. And how to practice operator overloadings, like I told, add 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 self and other, which define behavior for custom object. Example, sum of two vectors object, or like left sum self define the left behavior of custom properties. Example, getting size of the custom playlist others. It is what it states that you are applying a addition operation in points like point 1 comma 2 3 comma 4, where it's initialize point 1 will initialize in self and other both will combine, and you'll get a new output as in a point like 1 to 1 comma 2 3 comma 2 will get 4 comma 4, which is the new thing. We'll get the new thing by using the predefined constructor add self other, which saves us self dot x equal to x, self dot y equal to y, and other dot x equal to x, other dot y equal to it. It has the word and returns the value. It's operating, which is simple example for operator overloading, whereas operator get overloads. Let's come to the abstract class. First thing of abstract class is it cannot be instated. Ab, an abstract class cannot be instated directly. It cannot be instated directly. It's only used for designated for inheritance. It's simplistically designed to be inherited by a subclass. You'll create an abstract class which is only used for inheriting by a subclass. Defines a contract. It defines a contract or interface for a child class. It's just a template or contract it for a interface for child class. And it's also influenced specific methods are implemented by subclasses. So how to implement abstract class with ABC module? Use ABC module, reverse Python ABC abstract base class module for abstract class. Inherited and decorated. You should inherited and decorated. Inherited from ABC and use the @abstract method for decorated. Example shape. A shape abstract class with area as an abstract method. Subclass implemented. Subclasses like circle or rectangle must be implemented by area. Where its shape is an abstract class, which is shape is an abstract class, where area is an abstract method of it. Where subclasses get inherited by shape or circle and rectangle must implement area. You should use the area of the abstract class. Where abstract class will not perform a specific method or function. It's only used for inheritance for other classes to perform some subclass, some methods or constraints or etc. So I'll wind up the topic, and I'll give the basic what was gone into this video, like, and what are some things that you should do to understand more of it. What is basically I mentioned method overloading, operator overloading, abstract class. Method overloading is not in Python, but it can be extended using default arguments. Method overload, sorry, operator overloading. It occurs when the operator is overloaded. And abstract class. It's a class which is created for only used for inheritance of its child class. What it means for specific method, for specific topics I have mentioned, like method overloading, operator overloading, abstract class. So some better things to do: flexible functions. You should do more problems related method overloading, which allows flexibility function call. And you should also operator overloading improves custom object readability. While doing operator overloading, it improves custom object readability. And for abstract class, it's enforce the design and structures for consistency while doing abstract class. This concept built robust, scalable, and maintain Python applications. While doing it, you will come more to maintainable Python applications. So this is what I want to tell in this video. That's it. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.